Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use HagoBuy coupons. So first we will open the HagoBuy in our browser. Click on the user center on the right side to see all the available coupons. So here are all the available coupons that we have. And then let's go back to the main section to look for something we want. So let's say we want to buy a shoes. We will scroll down until we find what we want. So here I saw a Balenciaga shoes and I want to buy it. So click the item, select sizes, and then the color you want. After that, we click buy now. Then we will go back to another tab, which is the user center. We will click the coupon that we want to use, and then you will see the order right here. You can see the shipping fee has been deducted. So there you go. This is how you use the HagoBuy coupons. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.